hinge mortising fixture. Depth of cut is set using the hinge itself on the router. Align one of the clamps in the desired hinge position and lock in place. Release the depth and length stops and using the hinge, set their positions. First, the depth. Then the length. The 1-to-1 bearing-guided router bit cuts cleanly and quick. A perfect fit every time. The PROGRIP lock mortising jig brings accuracy to an otherwise challenging task. The 3-position cam clamps securely hold the fixture to the door edge. Drill bushings of the size required are easily adjustable. A simple depth guide is employed. Repositioning of the bushing is done without the need of tools. Adjustable width and end stops control the travel of the router during shallow mortising. All that's left is light cleanup with a chisel. The same procedure can be done in a vertical orientation as when a door is already hung. For stability, the door would be properly blocked, preventing it from swinging. Cylindrical door latches are easy to install with the door drilling fixture. The edge bore position can be finally adjusted by the 2 clamping screws. The two-sided guide allows the operator to drill from both sides, preventing breakout. Drilling of hung doors is just as easy.